Hi, this is Tom with Elevate Business Advisors, and at Elevate we work with entrepreneurs and business owners who are having some financial challenges. So if you need to increase your profits or handle your payables or just get control of your business, you may want to look into what we do. Like and subscribe and go to our website. I just wanted to talk about that when you get into a situation in your business, that you have to remember you built your business. The same determination, the same grit, the same whatever it took to get you where you were is the same kind of thing that's going to get you out of this. You have to believe in yourself. We're here to help, but you have to believe in yourself and you have to go for it. A lot of people feel like I was talking about mindsets earlier. A lot of people think like, oh, I can't do this, I can't. You need to dig down deep and find that passion you had for your business and reignite that to save your business. And there's nothing greater than if you're having trouble is turning it around. And I know because I did that. I turned my business around and I've helped some other people with their businesses. But you know, there's nothing like turning it around, and you can do it too. Keep your mindset right, hold down your costs, and do whatever you have to do to increase your profits. And we'll talk about that on other videos, but I just wanted to mention that. And you can certainly like or subscribe to us or check out our website at www.elevatebizz advisors.com.